Alright, zeros.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Still get the point. No, I do. 1-1. Yes.
You feeling this?
Got that on film.
Damn it. 3-1.
I get the beanie, right?
3-2.
Me too.
It's 3-2. Damn it, I should have never played that. Shit. 4-2.
You know how hard I can be hitting those?
Hit him hard. Oh, really?
No, really.
Damn.
Fucking ass. I get to go until I hit you, right?
Nope.
You only get one hit.
You get one shot.
Like one hit off your paddle. Timeout.
What?
What do you want to do?
I fucking hit him in the back.
What do you want to do?
Kick Chris in the balls.
Too bad we don't all get what we want.
Hey, Chris.
Oh my god, that's
Right there in the
nasty,
ass. Right there in the ass.
Get him.
You can't get that fucking
dude. Ow, dude. You hit me in the elbow with the paddle.
I did.
No, he did.
I think you should beat his ass for him. Beat his ass.
I got him in the ass.
He called you a fucking pussy.
Did he really?
Yeah, he called you a fucking pussy. He thinks he can knock you out right now.
I'm gonna beat his ass. Cage fight right now.
I have a cage in my house, no joke.
Dude, I'll get my ass kicked. You guys are bigger than me.
No, I'm not fighting hands.
Yeah, Chris, let's fight. Whoa! Whoa!
I could have went and...
It's called 300, baby.
Whoa! I don't care. No throwing the brooms. No throwing the brooms.